Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Vrchat and avatar can accept routed audio. This avoids wasted steps later. Install or pick a TTS engine you trust, whether a browser service or a local synthesizer, because quality and latency differ. Once done, create a virtual audio device or use a loopback so the TTS output becomes your microphone input. Make sure your OS and Vrchat both list that device. Doing this first prevents audio routing errors when you test in World. Next, you route the TTS stream into Vrchat by configuring both apps to the same virtual device. This is the critical middle step where things usually break. In your TTS app, choose the virtual output, and in Vrchat, choose that virtual device as your mic so synthesized voice is sent live. Then adjust gain and apply noise suppression if needed, because volume mismatch causes clipping or inaudible speech. After adjusting, test in a private world or local recorder to confirm clarity and timing. Finally, you make TTS usable in sessions by mapping hotkeys or chat commands so you control when speech plays. This prevents overlaps and preserves immersion. Make sure your avatar's lip sync settings match the TTS audio characteristics so mouth movement looks natural, because visual mismatch breaks presence. If something goes wrong, recheck device selection, app permissions, and that sample rates match across apps. These are the usual culprits, and fixing them will typically restore clean TTS quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.